Hi guys, welcome back to the tech channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can use the age restriction filter on your Facebook page. And now you can actually restrict your Facebook page to only be seen or accessible to certain age, and here's how to go about activating that on your FB page. Now the first thing is to log into your page and click on the page profile and then click on settings. Please note that you can also use this feature. Please note that you can also do the settings on your mobile. The step is pretty much the same, so just follow through the video. Now right under audience and visibility, you want to scroll down to followers and public content, and then scroll down to age restrictions. So click on the option, and right here you'd see the age grouping. Now the footnote that is here says when you select an age restriction for your page, people younger than this won't be able to see your page or its content. Now these are the age groups that you have. Now if you select people 17 and over, alright, so it basically means that it's people that are 17 and over 17 that can have access to your Facebook page. If you select 21 and over, it means that it is only Facebook users that are up to ages 21 and above that can access your Facebook page. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.